Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a repair report for Charles in Mississippi on this Galaxy dx55hp. Charles, we have resurrected this radio for you upon observing the insides, the voltage regulator, all the FETs, and the 8-volt regulator all had been disabled. You had multiple burnt traces. We went through and fixed it. Did the best we could with it and brought it back to life and did a tune and alignment on it. So here's what we got. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug. About a half a watt. 5 watts all the way up, roll it back down. 100-watt slug, average power. Hello. 20 bird average. Peak power. Hello. 52 peak. Alright, Charles, it's came back to life. I hope you enjoy this radio from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.